guys, this is the last day before the stream. Um, if you guys wanted to stream, I will be streaming at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time because Magician comes on at 8 Central Standard Time for me. So in like Eastern, it'll be 8 o'clock before the stream will start. I forgot the time zone behind us, but like Nevada and stuff, that would be an hour ahead, so that would be 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock. I think I'm doing that right. But if you have any issues time zone, let me know. I will help. Of course, I'm always helping, willing to talk to you guys in the comment section anytime, anywhere. If I have time and if I see it, I will definitely respond to you. Thank you guys for still coming this far. Let's go into season 3 with a bang. 2018 is the year. Let's see if we can get to the channel now. I'm almost at 300 subscribers as it is. A lot of my videos are getting daily views now, and it's just like, wow, still. If you guys have anything else you guys wanted to do during the stream, you can ask in the comments or during the stream. Like if you guys just had questions for me or different ideas, what I think about this or anything really, or just come to say hi and talk, then you can. And I plan to watch the stream, not to watch the stream, but watch the season premiere of season 3 with you all. So we'll all be watching it together at the same time. So we will all enjoy it no matter where you are, watching it on Sci-Fi website, watching it on your phone, watching it on television. I will be watching it with you. So we're going into season 3 together. Alright? So again, see you guys later, and bye.